students, welcome back. This is Teacher Whitney and I'll be teaching for class 1. Here I am before you with a new maths video with an interesting topic in maths. So before we move on to our new topic for today, let us revise what we have learned in the previous maths video. Students, in the previous maths video, you have learned about forward counting and backward counting. Now forward counting is when you move or when you read from a small number to a big number, and backward counting is when you read from a big number to a small number. Now here, as you can see, as you're moving from a smaller number to a bigger number, it is called as forward counting. This is forward counting. But as you read or when you move from a bigger number to a smaller number, it is called as backward counting. Now in forward counting, if I ask you to write the numbers in the forward counting pattern from 1 to 5, you are going to write it as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is forward counting from numbers 1 to 5. Now when I ask you to write backward, to count the numbers in the backward counting pattern from 10 to 5, how are you going to write it? You're going to write it as 10, 9, 8, 7, 6 and 5. So here, as you can see, students, the numbers that we are writing are in a sequence. Like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It is in a sequence. And in backward counting also, you are writing it in a sequence. It is 10, 9, 8, 7, 6 and 5. But in our topic for today, we are going to arrange jumbled numbers in an increasing order or in an decreasing order. Now what is this increasing and decreasing order? Let us find out. Students, our topic for today is increasing and decreasing order. Now increasing order can also be said as small to big or ascending order, and decreasing order can be also said as big to small or descending order. When I say small to big for increasing order, it is when you read or when you count numbers from a smaller number to a bigger number. And big to small for decreasing order will be when you count a bigger number from a bigger number to a smaller number. But I have also said that increasing order can be said as ascending order and decreasing order can be said as descending order. Now what is ascending order and descending order? Students, what is ascending order or increasing order? Have you seen a plane taking off? Now here, as you can see, is a plane. Now as the plane takes off, you will be able to see that the plane, as it takes off, it slowly moves to a higher level or it moves to the sky. So here you can see, or as you have noticed, the plane was right here and it moved to a higher level, that is, it moved towards the sky. So as the plane moves higher, when it goes from the lower level to a higher level, it is called as the ascending order. So ascending order is nothing but when you move from a lower level to a higher level, or when you move from a smaller number to a bigger number. So ascending order will be this direction, from small to big. As you can see here, the plane has moved from a lower level to a higher level. So as the plane takes off, it is called as the ascending order. Now when the plane is about to land, it will move from the sky towards the lower level. It will come down to land. It will come down to land. So the plane has again moved from the sky or from the higher level to a lower level. So this is called as the descending order. So descending order is nothing but moving from a bigger number to a smaller number, or other words, descending means to come down. So to come down, as you can see here, the plane has come down from the sky to the land or to the ground. So ascending order will be from small to big, that is you go up, and descending order would be you come down from a bigger number to a smaller number. So descending means you come down. Students, you all must have been to a park. You go to a park in the evening time to play with your friends or your family. So what do you see in a park? You see a seesaw, you see a swing, you see merry-go-rounds, and you also see a slide. So what do you do when you want to go on the slide? First thing you have to do is you have to climb the steps. Once you climb the steps, you come down sliding through the slide. So can you notice here, students, even in your daily life or your everyday life, you come across these different concepts of mathematics. That is, as you climb on the steps to go to the slide, it is called as the ascending order, the increasing order, or from small to big. That is, you are going on top, you are climbing. And as I said, ascending order or increasing order would be from going from a smaller level to a higher level. And as you come down sliding through the slide, it would be the descending order or the decreasing order. As I have told you, that descending order is coming down. So students, here is a number line with numbers from 1 to 6. And I have denoted each number with chocolates. So number 1, we have 1 chocolate. Number 2, we have 2 chocolates. 3, we have 3 chocolates. 4, we have 4 chocolates. 5, we have 5 chocolates. And 6, we have 6 chocolates. Students, as you count forward, you will get a bigger number each time. From 1 you will get 2, then 3, 4, 5, and so on. So here, as if you have noticed, students, we have an example of the increasing order or ascending order, because in increasing order we move from small number to a big number, small number to a big number. So here 6 will be the biggest number and 1 will be the smallest number. And how do you come to know that? You can see 6 has 6 chocolates and the number 1 has only 1 chocolate. So this is how you can find out or identify which is the bigger number and which is the smaller number. Students, here you can see 4 trees with different number of fruits on each tree. So on the first tree we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 fruits on this tree. On the next tree we have 1, 2 and 3 fruits. The next tree we have only 1 fruit. And the last tree we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now let's number these trees with the number of fruits they have. So the first tree has 8 fruits. Let us number it 8. The second tree has 3 fruits. The next tree has only 1 fruit. And the last tree has 7 fruits. So now we are going to arrange these trees in the increasing order based on the number of fruits each tree has. Now students, you have to remember, in ascending order or in increasing order, we move from a smaller number to a bigger number. Now let us arrange these trees in the increasing order or the ascending order. Now increasing order would be moving from a smaller number to a bigger number. Here the smallest number among all these numbers is number 1. And as you can see, the number 1, this tree has only 1 fruit. So this will be the smallest number. Let us keep it here. Now we are left with more 3 trees. So after number 1, let us find out which is the bigger number than 1. Here there are 8 fruits, here there are 3 fruits, and here there are 7 fruits. So the number which will come next after 1 will be the number 3, as it is closest to 1. So it is 1, 2 and 3. So this will be the second number. Now we are left with 2 more trees. One tree has 8 fruits and the other tree has 7 fruits. So which tree has the less fruits? It is number 7. So this will be the third number, and finally we have the tree with 8 fruits. So here we have arranged the trees in the ascending order, that is from a smaller number to a bigger number, that is 1, 3, 7 and 8. Students, here you can see another set of trees with different number of fruits on each tree. Let us count the fruits, number of fruits. On the first tree we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 fruits. On the next tree we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 fruits. The next tree we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 fruits. And in the last tree we have 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have 4 fruits. Now we are going to arrange these trees in the decreasing order or the descending order in the order of the number of their fruits. So before we do that, we will number these trees according to their fruits. So the first tree we had 9 fruits. The second one we have 10 fruits. The next tree we have 6 fruits, and on the last tree we have only 4 fruits. Now students, you have to remember that in descending order or in decreasing order, we move from a bigger number to a smaller number. So among these numbers, which number is the biggest number? Yes, number is 10. You can see only this tree has the highest number of fruits, that is number 10 fruits. So let's keep it here. Now we have 3 fruits. The next number after 10 in the backward direction, since we are coming from a bigger number to a smaller number. So we have the number 9 because it has 9 fruits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, which is smaller than 10. So this will be our next number. The next number we have, it should be bigger than the smaller number. So here we have number 6 with 6 fruits, and we have number 4 with 4 fruits. So among these two numbers, we can see that 4 is the smallest number. So the next number we have will be 6, and the last number will be 4. So here is our decreasing order, that is we moved from number 10 to 9 to 6 and number 4. Students, let us help these engine drivers to arrange the numbers in the ascending order. But remember, you have to keep the smallest number close to the engine. So students, when you know in ascending order or in increasing order, we start from a smaller number, and here we have to place the smallest number close to the engine. So in the first example, students, we have number 4, we have number 7 and we have number 5. So let us count the numbers from small to big. So among these 3 numbers, which number is the smallest? Yes, it is number 4. So let's place the smallest number over here close to the engine. Now we have 2 more numbers, that is number 7 and number 5. Which is the smallest number among the 2? Yes, it is number 5. And the last number which we have is number 7. So here we have arranged the numbers in ascending order from 4, 5 and 7. Now let's move on to the second example. In this example also we have three numbers. Number 3, number 1 and number 6. So we have to place the smallest number close to the engine. The smallest number among these numbers is number 1. So we place it here. Then we have number 3 and number 6. So the smallest number among these two numbers is number 3. And then finally we have this number 6. So here you can see in ascending order number 1, number 3 and number 6. Friends, once again you have to help these engine drivers to arrange these numbers in the descending order. Now what do you do in the descending order? It is also the decreasing order, wherein you arrange the numbers from a bigger number to a smaller number. Now let us find out. In the first example we have three numbers, number 9, 2 and number 6. So among these three numbers we have to find out which is the bigger number. The first number, that is the bigger number over here, is number 9. So we place it here. The next number will be number 6. And the last number will be number 2. So here these numbers are arranged in the descending order, that is from bigger number to a smaller number. 9 is the biggest, then number 6 and the smallest number will be number 2. Let's move on to the second example. We have numbers 3, 10 and 5. The bigger number here will be the number 10. So students, which is going to be the next number? Yes, it is going to be number 5. And then the smaller number or the smallest number will be number 3. So here we have arranged the numbers in descending order, that is from number 10 to number 5 and number 3. Students, now let's solve an exercise wherein you have to arrange the numbers in ascending order. In ascending order, you write the numbers from a smaller number, you start from a smaller number and you stop at a bigger number. So in the first example, you have 4 numbers, number 8, 1, 6 and number 4. So among these numbers, students, which is the smallest number? It is number 1. So once we write the one number, we will cancel the number. We are left with 3 more numbers, number 8, 6 and 4. So the number after 1 that is going to come will be number 4. So we write number 4 and we cancel it here. And the next number we have is number 6. So let's cut this number and there's only one number left. So we write it here. So here we have arranged the numbers in ascending order, that is 1, 4, 6 and 8. Now let's move on to the second example. We have the numbers 6, 5, 8 and 7. So let us start by writing the smallest number. So the smallest number among these 4 numbers will be number 5. So once we write the number, we will cancel that number. Now we have number 6, 8 and 7. So the smaller number among these 3 numbers will be number 6. Let's cancel this number. Then we have 2 numbers, 8 and 7. Now students, you know, among these 2 numbers, 8 is the biggest number. So we write it last and we write number 7 first. We cancel it. And the number which we are left with is number 8. So here we have arranged these numbers in the ascending order, that is from 5 to 6, 7 and 8. Students, let's move on to the second exercise, that is arranging numbers in descending order. Descending order or the decreasing order, wherein you have to arrange the numbers from a bigger number to a smaller number. We have the first example. On the first example we have numbers 1, 6, 3 and 2. Now we have to arrange these numbers in the order of biggest number to a smaller number. So among these numbers, which number is the bigger number or the biggest number? It is number 6. So as I told you before, once you write a number, you have to cancel that number. Next number will be number 3. Let's cancel this number. We are left with two numbers, number 2 and number 1. So among these two numbers, which is the smallest number? It is number 1. So we will write it last. We write number 2 and the number which we are left is 1. So here we have arranged the numbers in descending order. That is, we have moved from a bigger number to a smaller number. 6, 3, 2 and 1. The second example, we have the numbers 7, 10, 2 and 9. So among these numbers, which is the biggest number? It is number 10. The next number we have is number 9. Let's cut this number. We are left with two numbers, number 2 and number 7. So the next number will be number 7, as we are moving from a bigger number to a smaller number. And the number which we are left with is number 2. So here we have arranged the numbers in descending order. That is from 10 to 9, 7, then 2. Students, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.